Hi, I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I am going to show you how I style my hair. I've had a few people ask if I would go over that. So I start out with my hair damp. I shake my mousse. I take a little bit of my mousse and rub it in my hands. This is a really concentrated mousse. Usually, mousse can kind of almost evaporate when you do this, but this is a really good concentrated mousse. So I really love that. Okay, the next thing I spray in my hair is the volume and lift spray. Okay, I just do 4 squirts right there. Okay, and then I'm just going to take, this is a Babyliss Pro blow dryer. Okay, I like to dry the way that I'm going to style, if that makes sense. Then I like to go the opposite, obviously, to give it some volume. Okay, so this is the way I style it, is over to the side. So I'm obviously going this way. Then the back, I just dry down like this. Okay. And this side a little bit, come on this side, and then go back. I just kind of go back and forth. And you can see I'm always moving my blow dryer back and forth. I don't leave my blow dryer in one position. Then when it's about 80% dry, you can see that it's still a little bit damp. You don't want to do this when it's sopping wet because it will pull your hair. Okay, so I'm going to bring in this round brush. And this will give it volume. Especially if you have fine, thin hair, this will give it volume. So I just like to take little sections, just put it in here, turn it, turn it, turn it. Okay. Okay, then after I do that to give it some volume, I go back and forth with the Epic brush. Okay, then I just kind of go back around and make sure it's all dry. And then if I can tell it's all dry, which right now, I am needing a haircut. I go on Friday, so you can tell it's extra long right now, but I thought I would style it for you guys because I've had some people ask. Okay, now I'm gonna take my flat iron. I'm gonna come up through this area, and you can see I'm just pulling it straight up. See, just straight out from the head, and I'm kind of going this way. And I just flat iron this just a tiny bit down. Then those pieces over there, I just grab, and just pull out with the flat iron. Okay, now, sorry, I'm just grabbing my stuff. I should have put it up higher. And thanks to Sid, my cute hairstylist, well, I guess it's not a hoodie, but a sweatshirt. I absolutely love it. So thank you so much. I just took a couple of squirts, which I should have showed you, in my hand. This is just a light oil. I'm just gonna put it throughout. You can see this adds some shine. And it also goes into your hair strands. And, whoops, sorry you guys. I seriously should have put it up. Anyway, and it conditions it. So a lot of people have been asking also what I've been using to piece out my hair. Okay, this is the Molding Shine Pomade. If you need the link to this to get some, let me know, I can send it to you. Okay, I just stick my finger in there and you can see. Okay, so it's a shiny paste. So I just rub this in. Feels a tiny bit sticky, which is actually good because it's going to hold your hair up and piece it out. Okay, and then I go right here. You can see I'm just coming through. Can you see how I'm piecing these little pieces out? Okay, and then I just grab at this. Okay, then I am going to take, you guys have seen my pin comb before. What I'm going to do first is take my comb that's a fine tooth. Okay, I'm gonna start in this back right here, okay? And I'm going in, down, and out, kind of like a C shape. Same thing here. I'm holding this straight up, I'm holding tight. I hold it up tight and in, down, and out, kind of like a C shape, not straight up and down. Then I'm gonna come underneath and right there. Okay, then I come through and I spray. Then I take my pin comb and I just start placing it, putting it into place. So another thing I was gonna tell you guys, I'm getting excited. My salon and home is almost done. Carpet should be coming the 23rd. And so I'm really excited. I am gonna do a little video on my salon and give you little updates. So that will be coming soon also. So I'm excited to show you guys. Okay, so I just kind of put it in place. And then I just spray it. I use the Bed Head Masterpiece. It's a pretty good hold. So if you like hold, then that's awesome. Then I just turn around, you guys. And just put that into place, the back. Okay, so that is how I style my hair. Hopefully that helps you guys kind of know how to use the product and how a round brush can help you get some volume. I really appreciate all of your support. Again, thank you, Sid, for my cute sweatshirt and all of your support out there, you guys. You guys are amazing. Again, watch for my video for the salon. I'm excited to put it together. It is painted, and so they're gonna do lighting and set the cabinets today. So I am excited, so watch for that video, and can't wait to get back in there and start doing videos. I'm so grateful for all of you. Hope you have a fantastic day. See ya, have a good day.